I don't believe it.
This is Eric. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
There's something to be said about this view, right? They put a pretty girl at a table. You're in a movie scene right now.
That's so nice.
I got you. Sorry, we can make it work. What's your name?
Okay, Eric. So how was today?
Like I said earlier, it's the most productive day I've had in my life.
Okay, so today we're in UCLA. I'm with Eric.
Oh, I'm Eric. I go to UCLA. I'm like 19 years old.
Today is a bit different because we are on the campus of UCLA. He is a student here in UCLA, so it's actually not complete strangers because you're all student at UCLA. So I would say this is actually a kind of watered down version of what I do usually. Here you've all been pre-vetted in a way by UCLA, so I think it's a bit of a, it is easier.
I have a really negative thought process, so I think that like the other person's trying to think like, oh, when is this conversation gonna end, or when is this boy gonna like leave or something like that. So I'm very negative in that sense.
I see. Are you usually negative in other areas of life?
No, I try to be positive, obviously.
It's a depressing episode.
No, it's not. It's not. Excuse me. Hi. What's your name? I'm Eric. Yeah, you too. You look really cute, so I just wanted to come say hi. Yeah. You're a freshman. Oh my god, it's okay. Did you have a good Valentine's Day?
I used to love because they study.
I get you. I'm like that too. Oh, Schwenchling. So, man, this is really cool. If you ever want to like get a coffee sometime, I'd be really down. What's your number? Just type it in. Thank you. Alright, have a great day.
Oh my god, that was easy.
Bro.
Eric has been breaking my balls for the last second. What is this? What is that? Should I do this? Should I do that? Look at how easy that was.
Oh, I don't believe it.
And catch your breath. It's okay, bro.
Man, it felt like I felt like I've been lied to my whole life, you know. I could have been doing this earlier. I don't know if I asked the right questions though, because I just went in there and said, hi, what's your name?
Here, because you're on campus, I think people are going to be more receptive because, you know, as I said, you're all in the same community. I would even encourage you to, because fundamentally you don't need the name. I think a lot of time people ask the name because they don't know what else to say, so it's kind of like an easy thing to say. But you know, some of the best interaction is when you talk to someone for like 30 minutes and at some point you're like, oh, I forgot to ask your name, and then people are like, oh my god, you know what I mean? So I would challenge you to try to be more present and challenge you to almost like not collect those like, you know, easy information, you know? Yeah. Okay. Well, I think today's gonna be a good day, huh?
Yeah. Sure. Excuse me. Do you mind if I just sit down here for a second? Okay. So, yesterday was Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've been like trying to like, I have this resolution where I'm trying to go out and socialize with people more. And you just stuck out to me because you're really beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
And I thought I'd come and say hi.
Hi, okay, my name's
I'm Eric.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from LA.
How cool.
Yeah. What about you? That's cool. What brought you all the way here? School? College?
Yeah, I applied to a bunch of schools and I wanted to see what I would get into.
Is this your first choice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm just from around here, so this is the best school I got into, so I thought, why not? So is this what you do? You just like come sit here and study, just enjoy nature?
This is actually the first time I've come.
This is the first time and someone that just approaches you out of random. I got you.
Do you go home a lot?
Like maybe like 2 times a month I go. Yeah. Especially this weekend is 3-day weekend, so I'm just gonna, you know, go back.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I wish I could go home, but I feel like 3 days is too short.
Well,
I have a lot of work.
Yeah, got you.
You know the grind, step natures.
Well, I mean, I'll leave you to your work, but it was really great talking to you.
Yeah, it was great talking to you too.
If your choice, but if you want to meet up, I'd be totally down for it.
Sure, I can write down.
Yeah, sure. Let's see. Here we go. Got you. You too. Have a great day. That was so crazy. I did not expect that. I thought she was just gonna be like, ew, like go away. Like, what are you doing? I'm studying. But she was so nice. Oh yeah. I'm like speechless right now.
So if I had two feedback, I would say at the beginning you came and you were like, can I sit here? It's like, I mean, you know, it's like a huge lawn and you talk to her as if, you know, that was the only remaining seat and, you know, so, you know, just own what you're doing. And at the end, also when you asked her to hang out, you were like, oh, if you want, you know, you be more enthusiastic, you know.
Yeah?
Bro, you're breathing like you're about to like jump out of a cliff. Okay? I can hear you breathing. Just relax, man. She's just a person.
Okay,
bro.
Hey, excuse me. You're like the prettiest person I saw today. Yeah. What's your name? Eric. Yeah. Me too. So, this is what you usually do? You just sit here, like sunbathe?
No, I'm just trying to take in some sunshine while it's
Yeah.
a little warmer than it's.
Gotcha. Do you hang out with friends a lot?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, nice. Are you like between classes or am I treating your piece?
No, yeah, I just got out of class and I go to the library and stuff.
Gotcha. Yeah, well, it was really nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice
I'm Eric.
to meet you.
If I see you around campus, I'd love to hang out.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Should we connect with one
sure.
of us? Or if you...
You can
It's
have
cool.
do you want my Instagram?
Yeah. There you go. Alright, have fun.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too. Bye. It did not go well, as you could tell. I just completely froze. Like, I didn't know what to say. I was just thinking in my head, oh my god, she's so pretty. And I was just stuck on that forever in my mind.
Yeah, you get overwhelmed. But the whole energy, like first of all, the way you approach her, already you come say, oh, you're the prettiest girl I've seen today. It's like, why don't you just like, you know, crawl to her and start kissing her feet or something?
Hello. Hey, it's going well. So what's got you like sitting here alone?
I'm here for farmer's market.
They put a pretty girl at a table. They're so nice. Oh, you're doing some homework? What major are you? What major are you? Environmental science? Oh, what year?
Sorry?
What year?
Second.
Second, I'm a freshman.
How do you like Sinai?
It's good. It's nice, you know. I like the people here. So, you wanna maybe hang out sometime? Oh, you have a boyfriend. Ah, that sucks. Maybe in another life.
Yes.
All right. Have fun.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
You need to own your intention, okay? You're like tiptoeing, okay? How are you? What are you doing? Even your tone of your voice, like own this, okay? You like tell yourself, this is what I want. I'm gonna go for it. Like you're tiptoeing too much, okay? And also, even the way you ask it, you want to hang out with me? No, you should say, hey, let's hang out.
Yeah, I'm asking for like permission. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, great. I was like, yeah. So you look really beautiful.
Oh,
so I just want to say that.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you go here?
Yeah, I do.
Cool.
But I bet you get that a lot, don't you? No.
I had fun.
You don't pay attention to your surroundings. What if like a car comes in front of you?
Okay.
You don't see it?
Yeah, I do.
Good.
That, yeah.
So you have a survival instinct. That's good. Yeah. Well, you want to hang out with me?
I can't. I'm meeting a friend. I'm actually listening to her right now.
Oh, shoot.
Sorry.
Alright. It's alright. Have a good day. Pay attention.
You were like, oh, you know, you must get that often, you know, as if like she's some of princess and you're like some sort of like, you know, like a low-level peasant that's like at her feet, you know. So don't downplay what you're doing, you know. Like you're doing something that literally no one else does, okay? And at the end, when you were like, let's hang out, she told you she can because she's seeing a friend right now. But that's not what you meant. You didn't mean let's hang out right now. You meant let's hang out later, you know. So go to the end of what you want. You know, say, hey, no, but like, you know, I'll let you go right now, but like, let's hang out another time, you know. And then, you know, you could have grabbed her number. I mean, like, when you first talked to her and you told her she did, you feel like she loved it. She laughed. She was so surprised. But then you kind of like just shot yourself in the foot like 3 times in a row, you know. Yeah. So like, own this.
Excuse me. Are you doing homework?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Am I bothering you?
That's okay.
Oh, you're doing C++?
Yeah.
I'm in CS31 too.
Oh, really? I'm in
Yeah.
Tech 10, so not quite
Tech.
CS31. But I'm going to try and take CS31 next quarter.
Oh, are
Is
you?
it hard?
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
Depends on who's your professor.
Yeah.
Why are you doing CS? Are you like a CS major?
I'm applied math.
Applied math.
So it's
Oh,
like Chinese and stuff.
oh, my roommate's applied math.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So are you like all about studying or do you have hobbies?
Not all about studying. Hang out with my friends a lot.
Yeah. Hey, what do you like to do?
Hang out. I was big into sports in high school, so.
Oh, what kind of?
Go to the gym.
I played soccer in high school.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I played soccer and basketball.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
DC.
DC. Wow. I'm from LA.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So you're familiar.
Yeah, like I'm really close. It's like my parents didn't want me to go anywhere else. They're like, stay home, sweetheart. Like we love you. Don't go away from us. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm very far away from home. But
Yeah.
it's fun. It's nice here. It's much better weather than at home.
Yeah. It's like you're in a movie scene right now. It's like so picturesque right now. Yeah, but I'd love to get your number and like hang out with you sometime. Sure. Okay. We can go watch a movie or something. Whatever you want to do. Great. All right, nice to meet you. I don't want to take your phone, so there you go. All right, see you. That was amazing. She was like a really sweet girl. She was like really approachable, and she answered all my questions well. Although,
She answered all of your questions well.
yeah,
There's a, just the way you said that, you're not interviewing her.
yeah. I think I was more in the moment where I wasn't like preparing the question. I was trying to like listen to her and see like she said she played soccer, so I was like, oh, I played soccer too when I was like back in high school. So
Great move.
I sort of like improv.
You were like, are you studying? Am I bothering you? As if like, as if you were wanting her to say yes, Like, stop shooting yourself in the foot, You're studying, okay, maybe. But am I bothering you? Like, what do you want? Like, why don't you give her a stick so that she can hit you? And then you were like, oh, we can do whatever you want. And then you kind of like, and then you were like, movies. Oh, movies, yeah. Do you like to watch movies? You want to watch movies? Like,
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, you don't have to like plan the date right now. And second of all, as a side note, you don't really want to watch a movie with someone you just met on the first date. You can't even talk during the fucking movie, So worry about that later. Oh, we'll do whatever It's like, it almost seemed as if like you were not sure she was going to say yes. So you're like, oh, we'll do whatever you want. You want to eat a cheeseburger? You want to have pizza? You want to have sushi? You want to... It's like, okay, bro, chill out. Like, chill out. Okay, it's going to happen. Relax. Okay? But I would say the main feedback I have is you have to practice giving the compliment lightly at the beginning.
Hey, there's something to be said about this view, right?
Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
what happened, Clay?
There's something to be said about this view, huh?
Oh, I thought you said something's gonna happen in this view.
No.
Oh,
I mean, it depends on how you look at it, right? So you're just enjoying your coffee?
yeah, I'm waiting for my friend to get out.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my friend too, but I just thought, hey, I gotta socialize more, and I just saw you sitting here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What's your name? What kind of a name is that?
It's Greek.
Greek.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so amazing. My uncle is Greek.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, are you Greek then?
No, I'm Armenian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Eric.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. So what do? You just sit here all day, or you're a
no,
student?
I actually never sit here.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, I'm just, I usually just go back to my room. But
Yeah.
it's just a nice day. Wait, do you go here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your major?
Electrical engineering. Yeah. What do you think of it?
That seems really hard. I hate engineering.
Yeah. People say it's the worst major out of all the engineering majors.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, so you're not a freshman, I
No, I'm
take
a
it?
sophomore.
You're a sophomore. I'm a freshman. Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's alright,
Yeah.
Get to meet new people, new community, make like lifelong friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what classes are you taking?
So I said I'm taking it like really light this quarter. So I'm just doing music, CS31, and another CS class.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, really pretty, which is why I first came here.
Uh-huh.
And you're a really great person, as I could see. Like I talked to you for 5 minutes. You're a really great person. So, what do you say? You want to hang out?
Sure, you want my number?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Here. Do you want me to put it in?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, see you. Yeah, bye. That was the longest conversation I've had
In your life.
Yeah, it was really nice not thinking about, oh, how am I gonna ask for a number? So it's like it just evolved naturally. I didn't really try to force anything.
You have any idea of the feedback I'm going to give you?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
That I wasn't too direct about her being cute.
Yeah, you should be able to be direct with ease. Once you're direct with ease, then you know, your mind will think of like more subtle and like playful ways.
Yeah. Hey, excuse me. What's up?
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. My name's Eric. What's your name? Oh, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're like walking down. It's like this is like the red carpet for you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. What are you doing? You finished class?
Yeah, I just finished class on my way home.
Ah, okay. Where do you live?
What about you?
I'm going to Olympic.
To where?
Olympic.
Olympic? Oh,
Yeah.
you're in the dorm?
Yeah, I just finished class too.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah.
What year are you?
Freshman.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What are you studying?
Electrical engineering.
Nice.
Yeah. What year are you?
I'm fourth year.
Fourth year.
Yeah.
It's alright. Alright, we can make it work. So what are you doing this Friday?
What am I doing
Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
I don't take the time to be until now.
Why?
Yeah.
What's the problem with younger men?
There's no problem. No, there's no problem. I just feel like
You want someone like more mature or experienced?
I don't think maturity comes in.
That sounds fair.
Yeah.
But do you want to like just as friends? You want to just
Yeah,
grab
I'm
coffee?
down. Always a friend.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go.
What's you have like socials or?
Yeah, socials or phone number. Whatever. Alright, I'll follow you back. We'll see how it goes. Alright?
Thank you.
You too. Bye bye. I feel like I was way more direct, which I'm happy about.
Yeah.
It didn't work out, but I said what I had to say, and that's all that matters, I think.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Just don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Don't play the victim. I did that multiple times today, and it did not work out in my favor. So don't make excuses for yourself. Talk to more people. People are more like, you can relate to people. Like, you have more in common than you think with other people. So just talk to them and don't be afraid.
Any last word?
Yeah, just go for it. Don't be afraid.